What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry and I'm so glad you joined me today. Today I have for you my Walmart beauty box for, I guess, fall into winter, whatever it is they call it. It's their seasonal box that they sent out that I got this week. So I wanted to share with you what was in this. And so if you're interested in seeing what's in my Walmart beauty box, then please keep watching. Alright, opening up the box, it looks like this, and it looks like there is some Nivea tissue paper in here, so maybe that's a sponsor for this box. It has a little pamphlet that says, "Embrace your beauty. Enter to win a $100 gift card if you review the box." It smells really good in here, like body wash or something like that. Maybe it's Nivea. So let's get in here. Alright, the first item I see, and this is what I smell, is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar. And I've used, I think it's Cetaphil Facial Moisturizer or CeraVe or something like that. I think they're by the same company though. Cetaphil, CeraVe, Cetaphil. I don't know. Either way, this looks familiar. Smells really good. I'm surprised though with a cleansing bar that that it's so fragrant, because so many people are so sensitive to fragrance. But anyways, this is what it looks like, and let me turn it the right way. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the writing. It says Cetaphil on it, and I don't think it just says apply to skin while bathing or washing and rinse. It just says it's the gentle cleansing bar, so I don't know if it's for your face. Yeah, it says it's for face and body for dry, sensitive skin. So I think I would probably use it to wash my beauty blenders, if I'm being honest. I really don't care much for bar soaps for my face, because most of the time they're super drying. But I'll try it on my face once and let you know what I think about it. But I think I'll probably use it to wash my beauty blenders. Next is Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean, and I actually got a full package of these in the last beauty box, and I did like them. I used them basically to wash my hands when I was out and about and I got lipstick or something on my fingers, but it's okay. It's kind of like a baby wipe. It's kind of like a wet nap. It's nothing spectacular, but I really like that this is a single serve package, which that makes it sound like food, but a single use package, because the other one I had was kind of big and this would be nice to slip in my purse. So I guess they're showing you that they have them in different capacities, different sizes. And so this is one wet wipe. That's cool, I'll put it in my purse. Next is, this looks super interesting, the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Micellar Water. And this is interesting. It does have, I mean, if you shake it up, you can see little particles of black floating around in there. But yeah, it says charcoal cleansing water. It removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. I'm gonna see if I can open this and sniff it. It just smells kind of like, I'm afraid that if I squeeze it too much, it's gonna squirt up into my nose, and that would be a nice blooper, wouldn't it? It's nice and clean. I don't think it's something that would be offensive to most. I mean, it's not anything that is extremely fragrant is what I'm trying to say. But it's interesting that they would combine charcoal into a micellar water. I haven't had very much luck with micellar waters. A few of them have broken my face out, but it was the Garnier one. I've never tried a Biore one, so I'll use this tonight. Try to take my makeup off and see what happens. Next is Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. So I'm always about trying under eye creams, and this is a pretty economical brand. It says new on the little pamphlet. It says new on the top here of the little packet. It says hydrating eye gel with hyaluronic acid, deeply hydrates for 24 hours, brightens and smooths. So This is a pretty economical brand. I think I might have just said that. But anyways, it's pretty economical. So if I found one that was economical that I could use on the daily, I would appreciate that, because the eye creams that I'm using right now are super expensive. So I'll be trying this. Next here's the Nivea 24-hour Soothing Moisture Body Lotion with Aloe Vera. And so that's what that looks like. I don't know if my light is blurring things out. I think you can still see the graphics on here. It says, give your skin fast absorbing and soothing moisturization and make it noticeably smoother for 48 hours. Nivea Aloe Vera Body Lotion is infused with Nivea Deep Moisture Serum and aloe vera. It absorbs immediately and leaves your skin hydrated, refreshed, and pleasantly fragranced with Deep Moisture Serum. This formula locks in moisture and gives noticeably smoother skin for 48 hours. So, a new Nivea lotion. I have liked Nivea lotions and Nivea products in general. The ones that I've tried I've really liked. So I'll probably like this one too. Next is Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer, a sample of this. I have used this. In fact, before I started using kind of more higher end skincare, I used this whole line, the moisturizers, the cleansers, and it was very gentle and very effective. This also has sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30. It says Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Hydration. Now your skin can light up the room. New Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 goes on feather light to give you a resilient natural glow so your skin looks radiant as you feel. Well, I hope my skin doesn't look as radiant as I feel, because right now I feel busted. Does my skin look busted? I bet you that Makeup Geek Starlight Highlighter doesn't look busted, does it? Okay, Miss Thang came out. Miss Thang came out. It says 5 factors of radiance. So it says it's clinically proven to even tone and help improve the look of dark spots starting in just 4 weeks. And I've already read everything else. So I know I like it. Nice to have another sample. I haven't tried it in a long time. It would be interesting to know or to find out if after using some more pricey skincare, if I would still think that that's really good or not. It's funny how you evolve and your tastes change. You get a little bit more makeup snobbish and skincare snobbish. Alright, next from how in the world you would pronounce SOO''AE. Suai, whatever, it's whatever. Black charcoal. It's so funny how whenever I have what I think are going to be very short videos, it takes me forever to film them because I have more bloopers during short videos than I do during lengthy ones. Just a fun fact. Black charcoal bubble sheet mask, detoxify, oxygenate, radiance. Oxygenating mask for dull and tired skin, a carbonated sheet mask that contains purifying black charcoal and a special blend of fruit extracts to brighten, radiate. Lord have mercy, I need glasses. Oxygenating mask for dull and tired skin, a carbonated sheet mask that contains purifying black charcoal and a special blend of fruit extracts for brighter, radiant, and silky smooth skin. So that's what it looks like. Guys, I thought it was going to be a donkey milk mask. When I saw this packaging, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're doing it, and they're doing it to me again. But no. So lucky you. You don't have to listen to it again, but you kind of did, didn't you? It says micro oxygen bubbles combined with purifying black charcoal to gently lift away impurities, refines pores, and remove dead skin cells, while a special blend of fruit extracts including grape, orange, apple, lime, and lemon boosts skin radiance, brightening tired and stressed skin. So That's what it looks like. That's what the back looks like. It looks like it might be a black mask, so that'll be interesting. Just a few more things in here. We've got just it is Cetaphil, that Cetaphil lotion that I've tried and that I was saying I thought I had tried it. This is just an informational little page. Then, oh, there's something in here that I missed. An informational page for the Nivea. I get kind of excited when I see these little papers because I think there's a coupon on them, but it's very disappointing that there's not. Okay, 2 more products. The first one is Maybelline Great Lash, and this brings back some high school memories for me. I don't think I love it anymore. I think I saw it one time and grabbed it thinking, oh, I used to love that. And then I was like, why did I love this exactly? But it says Great Lash conditions as it thickens, no clumps and no blobs. Forever a fan favorite, and that's a fact. 1 tube sold every 2 seconds. 40,000 tubes sold a day. 4,500,000 plus lashes coated a day. I wonder exactly how they got those stats. That's me, always the skeptic. But I'm just going to put this in my giveaway drawer. I'm sure one of my teenage nieces would love it. I already know that I probably don't in comparison to what I use now, and so I'm not going to open it. The next one is Maybelline Master Precise All Day Wear Waterproof Formula Ultra Precise Liquid Liner Easy Control Grip. Our most precise liner for intense eye impact by Maybelline New York. It says the same thing on the back. It just has Pretty Girl. I can't remember her name. Pretty Girl. That's her name. Pretty Girl. You guys know who she is. You guys know who she is. Anyways. I'll put it in the annotations. I know who she is. It's just not coming to me like I told you about after school videos. Brain capacity, incapacitated. So anyways, I'm going to open this up. It looks like a very pointy felt tip. And I'll do a little swatch to show you the blackness and the mateness. It's super black and it's super matte. So I'm going to sit here for a second and let it dry, talk to you about the rest of this, and then before we go, I'll do a rub test and see if it smudges and if it's really waterproof. Maybe I'll just go. Just kidding. Just kidding. But out of all these things, I think I'm most excited about trying the Aveeno again. I'm interested in seeing if I still like it as much as I used to. I do want to try the new Nivea lotion. I think the 2 things, or the 3 things, I think I'm excited about this mask. I want to try this eye cream. And I am curious to see if I will like the Biore micellar water better than I have liked the Garnier. Like I said, something about that broke my skin out. I thought it would be a good way to kind of refresh my skin in the morning and kind of take off the night creams and things that I use without having to strip my skin by washing it again. But like I said, broke me out. So maybe this won't. But you know what? Some of these things like charcoal products, they're supposed to be like detoxifying your skin. So maybe the fact that it's pulling things out of my skin is a good thing, but I don't need any breakouts. I had this and this. I called this Kermit the Frog and this Miss Piggy because I had these 2 little places that just decided they were going to camp out on my face. So I named them and, you know, had conversations with them and stuff. Like, really? You're still here? Really? Are you just going to stay here for life? Really? You're never going to go away? I didn't really have those conversations. So let's give this a rub test. Oh, it just smeared everywhere. It smeared everywhere, and I didn't even rub it very hard. Can you see? Smeared. And you know, it's one of those things. You can do these little swatch tests, and maybe I have lotion on my hand, or maybe there's, you know, lotion from this morning. I put lotion on my hands 15 times a day at work because I wash my hands 15 times a day at work. And so sometimes that has some remaining and it might have something to do with it. And so you guys know that the true test is always just on the eye. And as far as liquid eyeliner is concerned, finding another one also that's also less expensive, like I was saying about the eye cream, I kind of feel that way too, because my favorite is Trooper liner, and that's 20 bucks. And I would much rather buy a $6.99, $7.99 eyeliner than a $20 one. Be a lot easier replaced. A lot less expensive, obviously, but that's not the word I was looking for. It wouldn't be as traumatic to buy an eyeliner at $6.99 as it is to buy one for 20 bucks. Okay, my mouth is done working, my brain is done working. That means I'm finished with this. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and checking out what was in my Walmart beauty box. I will leave the information down below if you'd like to subscribe. I didn't say it's $5 a month. There's not a lot of advance warning when you're gonna get it. It's not seasonal. It's not quarterly. It just kind of shows up whenever they decide to send it out. The good news is it's $5, and so most people can afford to have $5 taken out of their account without much problem. Now, there have been months I wouldn't have wanted that to happen, but for the most part, they can take $5 out of my account. It's not going to be tragic. And so if that's not an issue for you, then it might be something that you would enjoy. I will say that it's usually skincare and body care heavy rather than cosmetic heavy. This is the most makeup that's been in one of the boxes for a while. The last 2 or 3 I got didn't have any makeup at all. So just keep that in mind, that it's not, if you're looking for something that's going to have a bunch of makeup in it, you're probably not going to get that here. But if you're excited about trying new body care, sometimes hair care and skin care, you'll get a lot of that in here. And it is seasonal, so whenever it gets to be winter time, they'll have more moisturizers and those kind of things. It just kind of matches up, obviously, with the seasonal box. I said it wasn't seasonal, but let me explain that real quick before I go. I mean that they don't send one out in fall, and then in winter, and then in spring, and then in summer. It just varies, but whenever you do get a box, it is season appropriate. So hopefully that made sense. But thanks for hanging out with me, you guys, and seeing what came in my Walmart box. Like I said, and I repeat, I'll put some information down in the info box that will help you get to where you can order this if you're interested. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Not extremely fragrant where I think.
No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
Original bad man.
The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.